It depends on the cost and price. And one more questions needed to pay attention is the quality and the lead time and the price are very well to import. But also just focus on high repair and we supply the most cost-effective products. Many customers will ask, what's the lead time? In general, if less than 2,000 box, and which we can be ready in 30 days, and if you need a customer box and the logo on it,